What's going on, family? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to tell you guys that I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. Your boy J Invest here. So yeah, today's video I just wanted to share with you guys the inspection process with the rental property that I already have under contract. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to show you guys basically all the steps of purchasing your first rental property. Like I said, we are a family, so yeah, I'm sharing with you guys. If I can do it, by the grace of God, you guys can do it also. I know that we're going through like a hard time right now with this whole pandemic, but guess what? That's how diamonds is made. Diamond is made under pressure. So, like I said, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And so yeah, let's go ahead into the video. I'm gonna try to break down every aspect. Record a video with like me just speaking to the inspector after he was done inspecting the property. Also, I just wanted to apologize. I was recording on my phone, so it does sound kind of windy. So I apologize for that. And also, man, I just want to say that was the last time I got a haircut. So I am looking kind of rough right now, but enjoy the video. What's going on YouTube? So I'm at the inspection. This is the property here. So we're just going through the inspection process. It's my realtor, Travis.
Travis Hines from the H team. How you doing?
Holla at him, you know. I'll put his description down below. Hold up, man. Hold up. Y'all know what I meant. I meant to say I'll put his information in the description down below. So please don't, please kill me for that. All right, carry on. So we're just waiting for the information from the inspector. Coming up right now. This is like a triplex, but it has like 4 units, so 4 different tenants. Alright. Yeah, so excited. Finally, this process is almost done. I'm recording on my phone right now, so if you don't hear me, I'll turn the volume up. So yeah, I'm excited. It's a beautiful neighborhood, quiet neighborhood. That's what you want. That's what you want. Not bad. Not bad at all. So, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Mr. Back. Yeah. So once everything is done, I'll show you guys the whole property. God willing, once I'm the owner, you know. So just talking about the inspection. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. So this next part is basically me talking to the inspector because one of the water heaters in one of the units was blocked off by like a drywall, so we needed the drywall to be removed, or the whatever that was blocking it to be removed. And the seller's realtor was reluctant to remove the drywall. So I was basically explaining to the inspector if and when that block is removed, can he come back, because we needed him to check that water heater so we can complete the 4-point inspection. He didn't want to open it to the water heater. Can you guys come back and say if
Yeah.
Well, I mean, we do a re-inspection fee. They just turn it to it. I don't know if that's
the smaller one?
yeah. I don't know if that's actually permitted. Doesn't look like it. So that could be something. So they do the appraisal. I marked it as another bedroom, so I put 1, 2, 3, 5 bedrooms over here. Probably just set up at the 4. Just doesn't seem up to code in that last bedroom. So, but overall, the plumbing is good except for this room right here. They have that bathroom right by the kitchen. So water pressure's real low in there. They never use the shower. I'm gonna turn it up so much that it would have gotten all over me just the way it's set up there. But the other bathroom's good. No water stains on that, no leaks on that.
When you walk the roof, everything seems good.
Everything seems good. The guy had said it's like 4 or 5 years old. That's what he had said. We didn't find a permit on it, but it's Sunday, so I'm getting to look again on Monday. But no obvious signs of water damage or leaks or anything like that. Of course, the windows and doors. The windows are not impacted, but the solid doors are impacted. And yeah, these are not impacted. Properly, but all the window units seem to be working. The one in the back is definitely pretty solid shape. You gotta deal with that. Keeps it clean.
What about the plumbing?
You got copper and PVC throughout, so solid on that. Like I told you, no, you got one double tap wire in this unit here. So you got one double tap wire. That just means more than one wire is working off of breakers, so that can cause it to overload or pop itself, something like that. But that's not a major fix. You have more room to add another breaker, so that won't be.
And it is evidence of termites, right?
Yeah, definitely evidence of termites. You'll see it in the attic. All the termite frags with their droppings, you're gonna see that. So if it hadn't been treated, I recommend you treat it.
So all in all, the inspection went well. There wasn't really no major damage. The only mild things was there was a double cross wire, and also it was termites, which the seller agreed to take care of, because we have to get those fixed before we can have the appraisal. So all in all, it went well. I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys for clicking on this video. Don't forget to please continue to share, subscribe. Just welcome to this family. I appreciate you guys. You guys just coming along with me on this journey. Like I said, I'm making these videos to motivate you guys, to encourage you guys that if I can do it, you can do it too. So yeah, I appreciate it. Until next time, peace be with you.